Based at the foothills of the Catoctin Mountains in Frederick, Maryland, Keystone Custom Homes Kellerton is a luxurious, high-end community that offers a premium living experience. With large home sites not commonly available, Kellerton offers incredible flexibility and privacy for each home buyer, along with stunning scenic views and gorgeous color in every season. Kellerton's serenity is matched only by its convenience to major commuter routes. Located within an hour's drive of DC, Baltimore, and 3 different airports. Downtown Frederick boasts world-class shopping, dining, and the arts as one of the strongest economies in the nation. Calling Kellerton home also provides access to a large variety of community amenities, highlighted by a clubhouse with a fitness center and Olympic-sized pool. Kellerton also features a dog park, walking trails, and close proximity to 3 city parks with several additional amenities. Keystone Custom Homes offers a variety of award-winning home styles at Kellerton, suited for every lifestyle. This includes large estate home sites, single-family homes, spacious villas, and attached townhomes. With Keystone at Kellerton, home buyers can build a personalized home designed with their specific needs in mind. Large home sites, countless community amenities, and breathtaking views present an exceptionally unique living experience in Kellerton.